Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Best phone $699. Big 120Hz display, powerful triple camera system. Update: the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE has been announced, which offers a faster Snapdragon 888 chip, a better 240Hz touch response rate and improved cameras with a beefed-up night mode and dual recording mode. It has the same $699 price as the S20 FE. And now there's the $799 Galaxy S22, which offers many of Samsung's latest features for just $100 more than the S21 FE. We do not recommend buying a Galaxy S20 FE, but the original review follows. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE remains one of the better values in Android phones. For a reasonable $699, Samsung gives you a 120Hz display, 5G and triple cameras with 30x base zoom. That's $100 cheaper than the newer Samsung Galaxy S21. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE review, price and release date. The Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has a price of $699 and had a release date of October 2, 2020. It comes in just one configuration, with 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, though owners can expand storage by up to 1TB with a microSD card. Make sure you check our Samsung promo codes for the latest discounts. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE review, design and colors. The Galaxy S20 FE will stand out in a crowd with its 6 color options. You can take your pick from navy, lavender, mint, red, white and orange. We checked out the navy option, which has a sophisticated sheen to it. Just note that the color selection will vary by carrier. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE review, display. I'm glad that the Galaxy S20 FE features a 120Hz display, which I think is a better feature to bring over from the regular Galaxy S20 than its sharper Quad HD resolution. The S20 FE makes do with a full HD Plus screen with 2400 by 1800 pixels. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE review, cameras. The Galaxy S20 FE is one of the most versatile camera phones for the price, offering a trio of rear lenses, plus a front 32MP camera for selfies. The back cameras consist of a 12MP ultrawide shooter with a f/2.2 aperture and 123-degree field of view. There's also a main 12MP camera, f/1.8, and an 8MP telephoto lens with a 3x optical zoom and 30x base zoom, digital. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE review, battery life and charging. The Galaxy S20 FE should last you through most of your day on a charge, but it didn't last as long as we expected given the size of its battery. It's equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, which is bigger than the 4000 mAh pack in the Galaxy S20 and the same size as the Galaxy S20 Plus. Samsung Galaxy S20 face specs. Price: $699. Screen: 6.5-inch AMOLED, 2400 by 1080, 120Hz. CPU: Snapdragon 865. RAM: 6GB. Storage: 128GB, expandable up to 1TB. Rear cameras: triple lens, 12MP main, f/1.8, 12MP ultrawide, f/2.2, 8MP telephoto with 3x zoom, f/2.4. Front camera, 32MP, f/2.2. Battery size, 4500 mAh. Size, 6.29 by 2.93 by 0.33 inches. Weight, 6.7 ounces.